Hello, good day. This is how to download Coding C compiler on your mobile phone so that you can create a C program by using your mobile. So this is how to download. Locate the icon of Play Store. This one. Touch it, guys. Then in the search bar, type Coding C compiler. So touch the second one, which is the Coding C compiler offline. Then touch this one, guys. Then touch the install button. Okay, let us wait until it will become 100% and it will be automatically downloaded and installed to your mobile phone. And now it is installing, guys. So let us wait until it will be installed to your mobile phone. Okay, once it is done installing, guys, kindly touch the open button. And then this is now the user interface of Coding C, wherein in this portion you can create a program. Okay, you can also open the Coding C application by looking the icon of Coding C. So this one, okay, just touch it, guys, and then again, this is the user interface of the Coding C. Okay, thank you so much, guys, and good day.